Replacing a taillight bulb on a 2018-2021 Jeep Compass is a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through it. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool, and possibly a 10mm socket. Gloves are recommended. Ensure your Jeep is off, keys are removed, and you're in a well-lit area. Let the bulb cool if the lights were recently on. Common bulbs are 7443 or 7440W for brake reverse. Many upgrade to LEDs for better brightness and longer life. LEDs have become increasingly popular for taillight conversions, a 40% increase since 2023 due to fuel efficiency and consumer demand for eco-friendly upgrades. Start by opening the liftgate to access the rear of the vehicle. The housing is secured by two plastic fasteners. Pry off the inner trim panel to access wiring. Remove the two fasteners and gently pull the taillight assembly outward. Avoid forcing it. Press the tab on the electrical connector and pull it apart. For the bulb socket, rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out from the housing. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it, then insert the new one by twisting clockwise. Use moisture-resistant bulbs. Reassemble in reverse order, ensuring the gasket is sealed to prevent leaks. Test the lights after reassembly to confirm functionality. Avoid forcing any parts, as housings are fragile. If the bulb is stuck, use a bulb extractor tool. Using moisture-resistant bulbs helps prevent premature failure.